Welcome to Ruamai. Today, let us show you the entire production process of PCBA. Our production begins with carefully selected raw materials, ensuring that every detail meets industry standards. We use high-speed SMT machines to precisely mount every component, ensuring flawless accuracy in the production process. Each PCBA is carefully programmed and debugged to ensure optimal performance and reliability in all conditions. Our precise post-soldering process ensures stable and reliable connections, ensuring long-term safety and durability. Each PCBA is carefully packaged to ensure secure transport, so it arrives in perfect condition. Our expert R&D team makes unremitting efforts to meet various needs of our customers. We are proud to deliver reliable PCBA solutions to TP brands like Geekvape, HeavenGifts, OXVA, and Smoore. Follow us for more insights into PCBA technology and industry trends, or reach out to explore potential collaboration opportunities.